Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix a Samsung One Connect box that is not turning on. The first thing to check is the power source. Many people connect their One Connect box through a power strip or surge protector. While these devices are designed to protect electronics, they can wear out over time and may stop delivering the correct voltage. To rule this out, unplug the One Connect box from the surge protector or power strip and plug it directly into a wall outlet that you know is working properly. After connecting it directly to the wall outlet, check if the box powers on. Next, inspect the power cord carefully. Look along the entire length of the cable for any visible signs of damage such as cuts, kinks, bends, or frayed sections. Even small damage can prevent the box from receiving power correctly. If your One Connect box uses a standard figure 8 style power cable, try replacing it with another identical cable that you know works. If the One Connect box appears to have power, but your TV still does not display a picture, the problem may be related to a temporary software or system glitch. Start by turning off the TV and unplugging the One Connect box. Also disconnect any HDMI devices connected to the box. Wait for about 2 to 3 minutes. This allows any remaining electrical charge in the system to fully discharge. If the box is still not responding correctly, try performing a factory reset through the TV menu. Open Settings, go to General, and then select Reset. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Thanks for watching.